Hi, welcome to this week's Mindset Boost. In a previous episode, I shared with you the ancient healing powers of hypnosis, and today I want you to experience that. I'm going to guide you through the Healing White Light Hypnosis to make sure that you won't be interrupted, that you're sitting comfortably. And then I want you to find a spot in front of you that you can focus your gaze on. When we start hypnosis, we want to find an induction point. So just focus your gaze on this spot. Allow the eyes to feel tired. The eyelids will feel heavy. You will feel that you go into a zone of pure focus. And then allow your eyelids to close. And begin by taking a deep breath in. Feel the air moving into your lungs, expanding your chest and belly. And then exhale slowly. Imagine any tension leaving your body with the breath. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head and imagine a soft, radiant white light hovering just above you, pure, gentle. And then with your next breath in, allow that white light to begin flowing down through your crown, moving gently through your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, softening every small muscle as it touches. Feel the light moving through your neck, your shoulders, melting away any weight you've been carrying. Down your arms, through your hands, until you can almost sense light radiating from your fingertips. With every breath out, release. Let the white light continue down through your chest, bathing your heart in warmth and calm. Imagine your heart glowing softly, as if it's remembering peace. The light moves through your ribs, your back, your stomach, releasing any tightness or holding. Down through your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet. Feel the soles of your feet glowing with that same healing energy, grounding you deeply into the earth beneath you. It protects you, it soothes you. It reminds me and you that healing is already happening. You are safe. You are whole. You carry light. You are safe. You are whole. You carry light. Let yourself rest here for a few more breaths, simply being held. When you're ready to return, just bring gentle movement to your fingers and your toes. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Open your eyes, feeling calm, feeling clear, and at peace. I hope that served you. And please subscribe. I'll be sharing more and more hypnosis audios with you. I just wanted to serve you and help other people as well. And let me know if you have any special requests, anything specific you would like a hypnosis for. Take care.